Stephen Hawking death. Hawking died at his home in Cambridge, England, on March 14, 2018, at the age of 76. His family stated that he died peacefully. He was eulogized by figures in science, entertainment, politics, and other areas. The Gonville and Caius College flag flew at half-mast and a book of condolences was signed by students and visitors. A tribute was made to Hawking in the closing speech by IPC President Andrew Parsons at the closing ceremony of the 2018 Paralympic Winter Games in Pyeongchang, South Korea. Hawking's final broadcast interview, about the detection of gravitational waves resulting from the collision of two neutron stars, occurred in October 2017. His final words to the world appeared posthumously, in April 2018, in the form of a Smithsonian TV channel documentary entitled, Leaving Earth, or How to Colonize a Planet. One of his final research studies, entitled A Smooth Exit from Eternal Inflation? About the Origin of the Universe, was published in the Journal of High Energy Physics in May 2018. Later, in October 2018, another of his final research studies, entitled Black Hole Entropy and Soft Air, was published, and dealt with the mystery of what happens to the information held by objects once they disappear into a black hole. Also in October 2018, Hawking's last book, Brief Answers to the Big Questions, a popular science book presenting his final comments on the most important questions facing humankind, was published. Hawking was born on the 300th anniversary of Galileo's death and died on the 139th anniversary of Einstein's birth. His private funeral took place at 2 p.m. on the afternoon of March 31, 2018, at Great St. Mary's Church, Cambridge. Guests at the funeral included Eddie Redmayne, Felicity Jones, and Queen guitarist and astrophysicist Brian May. Following the cremation, a service of thanksgiving was held at Westminster Abbey on June 15, 2018, after which his ashes were scattered in the Abbey's nave, alongside the grave of Sir Isaac Newton and close to that of Charles Darwin. During the service, readings and tributes were made by Benedict Cumberbatch, who played Hawking in a BBC television film, astronaut Tim Peake, astronomer Royal Martin Rees, and Nobel Prize winner Kip Thorne. Inscribed on his memorial stone are the words "Here lies what was mortal" of Stephen Hawking 1942-2018 and his most famed equation. He directed, at least 15 years before his death, that the Bekenstein-Hawking entropy equation be his epitaph. In June 2018, it was announced that Hawking's words, set to music by Greek composer Vangelis, are to be beamed into space from a European Space Agency satellite dish in Spain with the aim of reaching the nearest black hole, 1A062020. On November 8, 2018, an auction of 22 personal possessions of Stephen Hawking, including his doctoral thesis, Properties of Expanding Universes, Ph.D. thesis, Cambridge University, 1965, and wheelchair, took place, and fetched about £1.8 million, more than $2.3 million. Proceeds from the auction sale of the wheelchair went to two charities, the Motor Neuron Disease Association and the Stephen Hawking Foundation. Proceeds from Hawking's other items went to his estate.